So hello again YouTube. So another video for our DJI Action 3 reviews. So I'm using the 4K resolution 30 FPS with the normal video setting with enhanced image quality. I'm not using the other modes. Actually, the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm actually walking this little guy. So, just walking around, and I just want you guys to see like how this camera would perform during direct sunlight or natural environment. And I'm kind of torn if this will be my new vlogging camera. I have a Canon G7X Mark II. So maybe on the next vlog I'll do a comparison of how it looks like and all. So just want to you guys to see I'm walking. Uno. Yeah, Uno. So let me know on the comment section what you think, or what do you guys think about the video. Any focus issue. I've been uploading a lot of videos over this channel, so I would appreciate, guys, if you give us some give me some comments or your feedback about. Pardon, sorry for the noise. But there, let you guys see how it looks like.
Kuya, taga rito ka? Dito Bicol? Hindi, sa Bicol ka dito.
Hindi.
Ano pa kasi ito? Joey Market, Joey Market. Paano ko alam dito sa bahay, dalawang bahay na kasi. Nagkarapin ako lang natin. Hindi rin ako lang isa.
Someone's peeing. Someone also actually said that my videos look like I'm on a 3D background, so I would still choose, or I'm actually liking the whole new enhanced image quality mode rather than the HDR. I don't know, it's just my own preference, I guess. So let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the video quality. Is it too sharp, or is it still out of focus? Look, I'm doing a closer look, and then a bit of a wider angle. You know what? That gave me a good idea. Why not let me do a longer angle so you guys would see a bigger background on my walk. Oops, sorry. Oops. Switch arm. It's kind of heavy, guys. If you guys are still torn in buying this camera, I hope and I hope you guys would consider after watching all of my videos. And I'm back. By the way, guys, if you would, if your question would be what's the manufacturer date, it's September of 2022. I just updated the firmware. And I don't know. Everybody's saying no more focus issues, so I guess I would believe everybody. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm done for today's video. So appreciate a smash of the like button and subscribe. Thank you.